Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start now, confirm you have an admin account, enterprise license, and the current build noted. Once done, back up user data and create a system restore point so you can roll back if needed. Make sure recovery USB or Windows 10 installation media is connected. Next, check disk health with chkdsk and run sfc/scano to fix corrupted system files. These first actions reduce risk and expose if the issue is file corruption, driver conflict, or OS misconfiguration. Once you have logs, open Event Viewer and Reliability Monitor to identify recurring errors and prioritize those entries by time and impact. You should update drivers from OEM sites or roll back a recent driver that correlates with the failure. Next, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair the component store. Then run SFC again to fix remaining integrity issues. Make sure to isolate software conflicts by booting to safe mode. If problems disappear, to finish, perform an in-place upgrade repair using installation media to refresh system files without losing apps or settings. This resolves stubborn corruption and configuration drift. Once complete, reapply group policy and enterprise management configurations, then test key services and user profiles. If you still see failures, collect CBS. Log, DISM. Log and Event Viewer exports for deeper analysis. One key troubleshooting tip. If errors continue after repair, create a fresh local admin profile to determine whether user-specific settings are causing the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.